Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstela, never not. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my November yes or yes bag. So I know I've been doing them in the last 2 months, but I was pretty excited about this month because we got some pretty good stuff. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so before I start, I do want to talk about my makeup today. I do have it's a Princess Thing palette by ColourPop. If you guys want to see a tutorial using that palette, let me know down below. I'm wearing IIKONN lashes in the style, no, not IIKONN lashes, sorry. I was putting on the IIKONN ones, but they look too big for this look, so I'm putting my AZEREDO lashes in the style, let me check, in the style Legendary. I do have a coupon code for AZEREDO Cosmetics, so if you guys want to save some money, you can. I do have it on down below in the description. And then I'm wearing no eyeliner. Well, I'm wearing a little bit of eyeliner, but just to cover up the band. I'm not wearing any wings. And I'm wearing my Born This Way foundation by Too Faced, my Makeup Revolution concealer. I use my Airspun to set everything. I did use a new Smashbox contour palette. Juvia's Place blush. And for lips, I'm wearing a lip liner by City Color and a Dose of Color lip gloss in the shade Can You Not? It's a nude one, so yeah. So that's the makeup today. Oh, for highlight, I did use one of Makeup Revolution's Face Quad Highlighting Palettes. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about those products, let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer. I will be doing a tutorial using all new products, so I just wanted to test those out already because I really wanted to use them. So okay, jumping into today's video. I'm gonna start off by pulling. It's like what I do with my Ipsy videos. I'm gonna be pulling everything out one by one, telling you guys what it is, how much it retails for. So if you guys are new to my channel, Yes or Yes is a monthly subscription where you pay. It's $14.99 a month plus shipping and handling. You get 3 to 7 full-size products. I've actually already had a year with them, and when you reach a year, they do send you a limited edition box, and mine is already on its way. So when I get it, I will do a video on that as well. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about this month because we got some really good stuff. And I do have a link. If you guys want 10% off your first box, you can. It's down below in the description box. You guys can just click on it and you'll automatically get 10% off your first box. So let's start off. Okay, so the first I want to pull out the little paper with all the retail prices and stuff. So just like my shirt, I love the Simpsons. So I got it from Forever 21. I forgot how much it was, but I need like the angle. Okay, that looks better. Okay. As I was saying. Okay. So this month, the theme, I guess you can say, is Girls Cam. That's the little paper right there. And then on the back, it just tells you the products and the retail price. And this month, the retail price was $145. So there, the little card. So I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out one by one. Okay, so let's see. The first thing I'm pulling out is a liquid highlighter. This one is by Beauty Creations, and this retails for $17. So this is what it looks like. I am going to take the plastic off first before I show it to you guys so you guys can really see it. Where are my scissors? Okay, here it is. Okay, anyways, here's a highlighter right here. So that's really pretty. It might be a little bit too dark for me, so I might give it to my sister just because she is a little bit darker than me. I didn't even read the shade. It says Unicorn Tears in the front. I don't know if that's the shade name. It might be the shade name, but I'm going to do a little swatch right here. Wow. Girl, that is so pretty. Can you guys see that swatch? I think I'm going to try it out first, and if I don't like the way it looks on me, I'm going to give it to my sister. Good. This is really pretty. Cute. Okay, so that's product number 1. My phone to the side. Okay. The second product I'm going to pull out is... Oh, this is the Stormy Treatment Cosmetics Brow Lift Brow Highlighting Pencil. So this is in the packaging. Gonna take it out of the box real quick. And it's in the shade. What's the shade name? Oh, the white. It's on the back right there. Okay. So this is what the pencil looks like. Right there. And so it's just like a pencil. I'm going to go ahead and do a little swatch. That is pretty pigmented. It is really, really creamy. It says that it's white, but it looks like a more creamy beige color. Hello, you're going to focus. So there it is. On camera, it looks more white than it actually does in person. So, okay. And this retails for $22. So, damn. $22 for a highlighting pencil. No. Okay, moving on. The third item is, I think it's a brush. Yeah, it's a brush. And this is a crown brush. I'm not sure what kind of brush it is. Oh, it's an oval shadow brush. This retails for $19. So this is a brush right here. Is it upside down? Oh, never mind. And this is the name of the brush on the back. This looks a little bit too big to be an eyeshadow brush. I mean, if you have big eyes, you can probably use this to probably put some eyeshadow in your crease. But I don't have really big eyes or big eyelids. So I'm probably going to use this to probably contour my nose. Or even add some detailed highlighting. I don't know. But yeah, I love getting brushes. I can never have too many brushes. So I love it. I actually already put that in my brush holder because... Okay, and then the next and fourth thing is by Mirabella Cosmetics. Yeah, Mirabella Cosmetics. And this is a mineral highlighter in the shade. It says a Swirling Pearl Brilliant Mineral Highlighter. So it's a mineral highlighter. This is the packaging right here. And this retails for $42, you guys. Damn, $42 for a highlighter? I've never paid that much for a highlighter. A highlighting palette, yeah, but not a single highlighter. Damn. This is actually really... This is the packaging. So this comes off like this. And then the highlighter's in there. So you have to pull it out. And this is actually really pretty. So I'm going to pull it out. And it's in the back. Yeah, so the shade name is Swirling Pearl. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Can you guys see that? Look how pretty that is. Oh my god. Do a little. Wow, this is really creamy. Okay, do a little swatch rosy. It looks a little subtle on the swatch, but if you guys can see when I move my hand, you do see a lot of like reflection off of it, which I really like because in certain points, like when you turn to the light, you're gonna be like really popping. So that's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do another swatch on top just to see how that looks. Hello. Okay, so this is the second swatch. I want to do it on top. Oh yeah, okay, that's way better. A second swatch made it more blinding, and damn, that's really pretty. The last thing is an eyeshadow palette. And I'm excited because it is so pretty. So I'm going to take it out of the bubble wrapping. Oh, no, it's not an eyeshadow palette. It's a lip palette, sorry. Okay, so this is by Aesthetica. Yeah, Aesthetica. This is the Contour Series Lip Contouring Palette. And I got the shade, what's the name? Series. I can say. Maybe, I don't know. But this is the palette right here. And this is the back of the palette. This retails for $45. So it comes with a little book inside. And then on the inside, it has like an introduction. It talks about the palette. It gives you instructions on how to do certain techniques of lip contouring. Oh, this is pretty interesting. Oh, then it tells you like some of the possibilities you can do with these, like types of contouring. So that's actually pretty helpful. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Wow. Oh, this is pretty. I like the little paper thing. Oh, right there. So these are the lipsticks or the creams. And then these two are lip liners. And this, I'm not sure. I need to take that out. I don't have any nails. So, oh, here it is. Okay. Oh, it's a brush. Oh, okay. Oh. So that's the brush. It's a lip brush. So that's the brush right there. And this is their L13 brush. And it comes with, oh, these are double-ended lip liners. Okay. So the first one is shade Party Girl and Stalker. Party Girl is a pink one, and then Stalker is kind of like a brown maroon one. And then we have Bombshell, which is a red, darker red, and then Swag, which is a more mauvey nude color. So these are the, I want to hold them so you can see the name and see the colors. Okay, there we go. Right there. And I don't believe the creams have names. I don't think they do. I don't see them anywhere. But and then it comes with a mirror. It has a little plastic right here. And it has like their Instagram. And now they're going to have a giveaway. Oh. Oh, okay. That's cool. Yeah, but this feels so nice. It's really thick. I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches just to see how they feel. These are really pigmented. I need to wipe my fingers to get the other shades. I have highlight all over my hand. And then a pink one. I don't know if they're matte. We'll see right now. I'm going to let them sit on my hand, see if they dry down matte. But it doesn't say if they're matte or anything. So, okay. And the last one is a white one. Which you don't really see a lot of whites in lip palettes, so at least I haven't. So, but the white one feels really matte, so they might all be matte. I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm just going to wipe my hands real quick. Okay, so these are the swatches. I know they're bad swatches, you guys, but I'm bad at swatches. I don't think I'm really gonna use the light pink one just because I'm not really into these kinds of shades. But who knows? I might mix it with another shade, but alone I wouldn't wear it. I will wear all of them alone. The white one, I would probably use it to line up some of these shades or to do some really good contouring, but I would wear the first four on their own. Really pretty shades. it doesn't look like they're drying down, so I don't think they're matte. Well, I will let you guys know when I actually use it. So okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do want to get back to my routine, so that's why I did this video this week. I haven't gotten my Ipsy one yet, but when I do, I will do an unboxing for that, like I always do. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you like Yes or Yes and want to try it out, the link for get 10% off your first box is down below in the description box. So just click on it and you'll get 10% off. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.